So this is our pre-wash, and we're going to use this predominantly to emulsify contents before they go into the ultrasonic wash. And so we're using the ultrasonic wash for precision clean, but we can also use the pre-wash if we're doing some high-value delicates and we're a little concerned about maybe removing paint. We might do all our cleaning right here in the pre-wash. And the way the pre-wash works is I've got a temperature controller that matches the same temperature controller I have on the ultrasonic wash. So if we're doing delicates, we want to start both machines at 110. We don't want to have this machine at 120 and that at 110. We want both temperatures to be the same or as close to the same as possible. So to set the controls, the temperature control, the upper display tells us the actual bath temperature. It's called PV for process value. And our set value, or our SV, which is in the green, is what we're adjusting. So to adjust it up or down, we have a down arrow key and an up arrow key. And so if I wanted to increase this to 130, I'm going to hold or progressively press until I get to 130. And if you can notice that the green is a little bit of a lighter green and it's got a bit of a flash to it or a flicker. To lock it into memory, we hit the reset key or the enter key, much like on your keyboard. And when I press that, it stops flickering and it's a deeper green. So I've got on-off controls for my heat, so it's very simple, and a pump control. So when I turn the pump on, I've got a spray bar on the top and on the bottom, and I'm circulating the hot soapy water in the tank, and that basically is helping to emulsify and pull out some of that sediment into the filters. On the left edge of the machine, I've got a yellow handle that says spray bar and spray gun. In the spray bar mode, which is where you're normally going to run it, it's circulating water inside the tank. When I go to spray gun, I have a trigger control, and now what I can do is I can pull my contents out, hang it on the side of the tank in the basket, and I can use the hot soapy water from the pre-wash and direct it as a cleaning tool on my contents. I have the ability to adjust the spray from a very narrow spray to a softer diluted spray. So during normal operation, the pre-wash pump runs all the time, and I leave it in the spray bar mode. And spray bar means it's spraying water back through the bars that are in the tank. In a spray gun mode, I'm only going to turn the lever to spray gun if I'm going to use that hand cleaning tool. So that's the pre-wash. You'll typically see that this bath will get changed more often than the ultrasonic wash because we're doing most of our heavy cleaning in the pre-wash.